Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. Today we're going to do a craft with me video where we're going to finish up our bun cake that I showed you all the other day. I made this bun cake with a wreath die set from Craspire, so you can use it to make a wreath, but I wanted to make a bun cake. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and you're going to find my links to this in the description area below, and I will also link you to the paper that I used. I did use my vintage paper, Debutante, and yeah, I hope that you like this video when you leave me a nice comment. And hey, if you just happen to land on this video and you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. At Decorate Your Life, we do project shares and some tutorials and hauls and, well, yeah, just some good old crafty fun. Enjoy the video.
I've waited for so long for someone to call my own, counting down the days, wiping the tears away. There's nothing I wouldn't do to meet a soul like you. I wish I could find it. I wish I could find it. I wish I could find it and wrap it and keep it and put it in my pocket. I wish I could find a soul to love me and hold me close. I wish I could find a soul to love me and hold me close. 'Cause you light up my life. You light up my life. Yeah, you make me smile. Yeah, you make me smile. Said it's easy when everything you have done has led up to this, it's led up to this, it's led up to that. I said it's easy when everything you have done has led up to this, it's led up to this, it's led up to that. 'Cause you light up my life. You light up my life. Yeah, you make me smile. Yeah, you make me smile. 'Cause you light up my life. You light up my life. Yeah, you make me smile. Yeah, you make me smile. You make me smile. You make me smile. Yeah, you make me smile.
あなたはどうしていたと思いますか？